Hi, I'm Doug Wall. I'm with Second Generation Energy. Second Generation Energy actually started with EnergySage about its very early days. So EnergySage is basically a conduit for bringing leads to solar installers. Their website is awesome. They have a lot of information. It's a great learning tool for the average homeowner. And then it connects them with an installer. They can talk to as many as they like and get further information regarding how much they can expect to save, what the system can do for them, and how it's physically going to appear on their house. I find EnergySage leads are very qualified. I think overall EnergySage has very serious people looking for solar installations. So EnergySage does save time. It's a lot faster than knocking on a lot of doors. The typical door knocking companies, people don't like. Now they're thinking about solar, but they don't want that pushy salesperson. They want someone who can educate them and help them. So EnergySage is great at connecting customers with great installers like Second Generation Energy.